Hello students, welcome back. This is class 14th of chapter number 2, that is form of business organization. In today's lecture we are going to start how a company is formed. We have discussed the different kinds of company, different kinds of business organizations. From today onwards we will discuss how a company is formed, what is the legal procedure that we have to follow while forming a company. So, a joint stock company has to follow a certain specified legal procedure for its formation. Planned action and conscious efforts are required. That means it is not like any other form which you can open up easily. The formation is a bit complicated. You have to make different documents, you have to get yourself registered after making certain clarifications, certain assumptions, certain documentation. Only then you can form a company. So the formation involves the four stages, namely promotion, incorporation, capital subscription, and commencement of business. The first one being promotion, that means conceiving the idea and starting the business. Incorporation means legally registering the business. Capital subscribing means arrange the capital, and then we can start the business. So the very first stage of a business of joint stock company is to get the business promoted. Promotion includes all the steps right from the conception of idea, like means when you got the idea till the starting of company. Everything comes under the word promotion. It is a process of planning and organizing all the resources required to form a company. It involves the discovery of business idea कि आपके दिमाग में आइडिया आया कि ओके नाउ आई हैव टू डू दिस. उसके बाद उसके लिए प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना कि वो उतना प्रॉफिटेबल रहेगा नहीं रहेगा, मार्केट चलेगा नहीं चलेगा, all that investigation and assembling necessary resources to set up the business. फिर resources arrange करना to set up the business. So the person who does all these activities of promotion is called the promoter. ठीक है. कुछ प्रोफेशनल प्रमोटर्स होते हैं, कुछ लोग अपना बिजनेस खुद स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो प्रमोटर एक इंडिविजुअल भी हो सकता है, एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल भी हो सकता है, एक पूरा इंस्टीट्यूशन भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. सो बीइंग अ promoter, what steps you have to do in this stage? The first you have to identify the business opportunity. First you need to find out the type of business, the nature of business that you want to do. ठीक है. तो आपको पहले सेटअप करना है कि आपको क्या चीज़ स्टार्ट करनी है, कि आप एक न्यू बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं और यू वांट टू एक्सपेंड एन एग्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस. You have to find if your business is profitable or not, how much capital will be required, how much risk will be there. So firstly you have to identify the business opportunity. Once you have identified the opportunity, you have to do the feasibility study. That means you have to check the overall investigation regarding cost, profitability, production process, demand, etc. You may have to take help from specialists, you have to take advices from experts, so that you can actually decide whether the business will be a good step to take or not. Three kinds of feasibilities has to be checked. First being the technical feasibility. That means if the business is technically possible or not, if there will be enough raw material, labor, technology available for that business. Sometimes a thing may happen that you have a good business idea, but you are not able to arrange those resources to start the business. That means the business is not technically feasible. Financial feasibility means you also need to check whether you can arrange the required funds for that particular business. Suppose if I want to do a business, the amount of which I need a capital of like 2000 crores. Now I cannot raise 2000 crores. That means I don't have necessary funds to start the business. So the business, even being technically feasible, is not financially feasible for me. Means I don't have that much funds to start the business, and I'm not in a position even to arrange that much fund. That means the business is not financially feasible. The third being the economic feasibility. Economically feasibility means some projects are abandoned just because they are not that much profitable. If you have to put more efforts and you are getting less in return, that means the business is not economically feasible. So those ideas which are profitable are continued, and if there is any idea which is good but not that profitable, those ideas are abandoned. तो सब हमने चेक कर लिया, सबसे पहले आइडिया अपना अरेंज किया, देन हमने उसकी फियासिबिलिटी चेक करी. इफ़ द बिजनेस इज़ फियासिबल you have to get the documents ready, but to make documents you need to get your name approved firstly, because the documents will be made in the name of company and not in the name of the persons who are starting the business. So you have to apply for the name in the registrar office, because two companies cannot have identical names. There can never be any two companies which have similar names. So you have to go to the registrar office, you have to submit a form and mention the name of the company which you want to finalize. But you have to give multiple options in priority basis, like if a particular name is not available, then what else? Registrar then matches the name with the name of other companies, and if it is not identical, then it gets approved. Now the name has been approved, you have to fix up the signatories of memorandum of association, means the people who will sign the documents. If the documents are being generated, you need people who have to sign on that document. So you have to decide the signatories of memorandum, and usually these people become the first director of the company. These are the people who start the company. Then to prepare documents you have to appoint certain professionals में आपके brokers और underwriter रहते हैं, जिनका पर्पस होता है बिजनेस के शेयर्स को सेल आउट करना. यू नीड सॉलिसिटर फॉर द लीगल वर्क्स, यू नीड बैंकर्स फॉर द फाइनेंशियल डीलिंग. सो यू हैव टू फाइनलाइज द experts, you have to finalize the professionals which will be needed to run the business in a smooth manner. And then after we will start preparing the necessary documents. You have to make a memorandum of association that is compulsory for every business, articles of association if required, or you can copy it from table A, and prospectus in case of a public company. You have to make this document, and then the promotion stage is over and the registration stage or the incorporation stage gets in. So we have discussed how the promotion stage, how the business is started, how the company form of business is started. In the next video we will discuss how it is registered in the court of law or in the register office. Till then, take care and have a great day.